If you're in doubt how to exactly set up your outpatient therapy that will be done after your surgery, of course, you're going to be talking with your surgeon. So the surgeon is going to write an order for the therapist to treat you after surgery. The way it happens in my office is I will get an order from the surgeon, and then I will notify my staff to contact the patient. They're going to collect your insurance information, which we will have already in our office if you're already in our office. They will do what's called a verification of insurance benefits. We have an insurance verification specialist, and her job is to verify that you're going to be covered for the therapy, and I'm giving her codes that would be billed for. I know that for this condition, whatever surgery was done, I have to fabricate this specific splint. Well, here's the billable code for that. This is what happens behind the scenes. Then she's going to make sure your insurance covers that. So what we do not want is we don't want you coming to therapy and then having the surprise bill. So there's all these workings behind the scene that really set everything up and leaves no stone unturned.